Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance Back in Love Again. The song is Back in Love Again by L.T.D, and the choreography is GAIL DAWSON. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And instructors, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction homework for your students, I'll pin the instructional at the end of this video. Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself personally invite you to a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. We would love to see you there. Registration is open right now. You can go over to our website to register and book your hotel. We'd love to see you there. www.LMIUNOLA.com. And I would like to thank everyone who have registered already and booked your hotel. Thank you so kindly. We appreciate you. And let's go.
I want to love you forever.
love again. Remember, I'll post the instructors send your kids, your students, your homework. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Thank you again to everyone who have registered already. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.